Good morning children, welcome back to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. Let's continue with the chapter number 21 and today's the topic is the stages of farming. Food makes a fascinating journey from the farm to your plate. So children, the food makes a fascinating journey from the farm into our plate. Firstly, farmers prepare the land for sowing seeds. So, firstly, what farmers do? They prepare the land for sowing seeds. They do this by plowing the land. Plows are cutting blades fixed into a wooden frame and pulled across the land. So, children, firstly, the farmers prepare the land for sowing seeds. Then they plow the land. And how they plow the land? They cut the blade and fix that blade into a wooden frame and pulled across the land. This breaks up lumps in the soil and loosens it. The farmers makes furrows in the land so that the soft soil is not blown off by wind. So the farmers they makes furrows in the land so that the soft soil it is not been blown off by winds. The ground is then leveled and manure is added. So, the ground is then leveled and they add the manure. Now, seeds are sown at regular intervals by hand or using seed drills. The seeds soon germinate or break out of their seed coats. Now, the plants begin to grow. So, first they level the ground and they add the manure. Now, they sown the seeds at regular intervals by the hand or by using seed drills, and then the seeds soon germinate or breaks out of their seed coats and now the plants begin to grow. Pesticides and insecticides are used to protect the growing crops from pests and insects which can harm them. So after the plants begin to grow, they spray the pesticides and insecticides to protect the plants from pests and insects. Weeds also have to be removed so that they do not kill the plants and use up all the nutrients in the soil. So even the weeds, extra plants, they also been removed so that they do not kill the plants and use all the nutrients in the soil. The soil has to be watered or irrigated properly depending on the crop being grown. So after that, the soil has to be watered or irrigated properly depending on the crops, how they grow. Too little or too much water can kill the crop. So, if the water is less or if the water is more, both is harmful for the crop and it can kill the crops. Once the crop is ready, it is harvested manually or by using machines. So, when the crop is ready, it has been harvested by using the machine or manually. Crops like rice are then threshed. What is the meaning of threshed? This is the process which separates the grain and the stalk. So, this is called threshed. The crops like rice, they are being threshed. The next process is winnowing or separating the seeds from the husk. So, the next process is winnowing or separating the seed from the husk. This is done by dropping the grains from a height above the farmer's head. How this has been done? It has been done by dropping the grains from the height above the farmer's head. The crop is then sent to a factory to get processed and packed. Then the crop is been sent to the factory to get processed and they are packed. It is ready to be sent to the market. We buy packaged foods which comes from factories. These are then used to cook the things we love to eat. So children, when the crop is ready, they are being sent to the market. We buy packaged foods which comes from the factories and then we cook the food which we love to eat. Our next topic is farming tools. Other than the plow, farmers use many different tools. So children, farmers use many different tools. A trowel is used to transplant seeds. So you can see in the picture also a trowel. It has been used to transplant seeds. A spade is used to turn over soil and dig holes. So in the picture you can see it. The spade is used to turn over soil and dig holes. A hoe removes weeds. A sickle is a knife used for harvesting. So you can see the picture of sickle. It is been used for harvesting. It is one type of a knife used for harvesting. Tractors are used to till the soil. So the tractors are used to till the soil. A combine harvester harvests crops, separates grains and ties stalks into bundles. Machines do the different tasks very quickly. So machines, they do the different tasks very quickly. So children, we have learnt about the farming tools and the stages of farming. In our next video, we will see cooking, watering crops, our values, and let's remember. Till then, take care.